Hey guys, what's going on? In this video today we're going to be using the Crossman Destroyer pellets, and we're going to be using the Crossman Phantom .177 caliber pellet rifle, shooting at about 1,000 feet per second. So hopefully you guys enjoy it.
You missed him?
No, I hit him.
Shot.
Got it.
Good shot.
Did I kill?
Alright guys, well here's our kills for the day. Again, we were using the Crossman Phantom, all shot in the chest, and all of them were great shots, put down pretty quick, and especially this last one here, shot right in the chest, and big old entry or exit wound in the back. But anyways guys, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.